My name is Roy Walsh, and I'm taking cell 620 with Professor Eplin. For this presentation, we were to visit a sport facility. Unfortunately, we are now in the middle of a pandemic. The coronavirus has made people stay at home to stop this spread. Of course, I am an essential worker. I work at Publix, so I have been on the front lines because they of the stay at home order. I have to do my field trip virtually. I just on I just to Truist Park, which used to be Suntrust Park at the same name of the change. We got a big merger. I love baseball and the Atlanta Braves are great. It is an amazing facility. They hold concerts, special events at the park to Bill Jewell, Chase Elton, and Zach Brown Band are just a few of the concerts. I went to Zach Brown concert on the SunTrust Park one time. It's my first concert I've been to. There were so many fans on the field and around the stadium, which is great. Population served by the facility. The seating capacity is 41,200, but they have found ways to adapt the seating and have had an average attendance of 43,618. In 2018, the stadium added 16 semicircular tables and a Delta Sky 360 Club, which is open to fans, and certain section was expanded by 2,000 square foot. Um, my date of the visit to facility. My virtual tour begins on March 23rd, 2020. I thought this was actually a great day because the stadium officially opened on March 31st, 2017. For season ticket holders, it was preseason game against the New York Yankees. Opening day for this season was April 14, 2017 against the San Diego Padres. So this is all the information I went to the tour guide. So I using the internet. So I've been searching online, which is I can't go on anywhere around the stadium. That's why I'm using the internet. CD capacity, that's the one I told you earlier. And this is 41,149 for Braves game, but the other one changed for concert for events. This is very special event that goes to Zappa Band. This is Zach Lucas, same stage. Year built. Year built was March 31st, 2017. Is the day to open this park, Sunshine Park. I always see the hangers to use to pick up all the stuff for several years. SWAT. I've been I do a SWAT analyst on Truist Park. The strengths are baseball is America's sport. Everyone loves baseball to play or watch. In the spring and summer, fields all over the country have kids playing baseball. The location is great. They moved the stadium to suburbs, Cobb County, about 10 miles from downtown Atlanta. It is a safer location because of the location, because it's and also that location is the most popular area for community baseball around Cobb County, West County, Fulton County, but Atlanta they don't have enough fans. Um, because of the location, however, some of the weakness or there is no margin. Parking is very expensive, and some of the exits of the interstate are kind of confusing. There are many opportunities for the stadium. This is a family-friendly location. There are many activities that make it fun of all ages. One of the best places is the Battery. Battery is a great thing to use for the entertaining for everybody, all the fans. To go out, eat, bars, drink, dancing. Braves communities make the fans very happy to go there. Um, as a matter of fact, they had the huge New Year's Eve at the Battery. That was friendly all types of activity until 9. Then it was adults only. Of course, some of the threats continued to be traffic, construction around the stadium, and parking. And also, the day 4th of July, they had huge fireworks at the stadium. They did a great job for special events and New Year's. Inside the ballpark, it has been fall trees and water features. This is similar to what the Colorado Rockies have been Coors Field. The team has some of the technology included Wi-Fi throughout the park. Plus, there are huge televisions and screens all over, so if you want to go get a hot dog, you are not going to miss a single play. There is a monument and memorial garden around area that has a huge statue of Hammering and Homer King when the park opened. They unveiled a statue of Bobby Cox, the brave legendary coach. In the area are statues of Warren Spahn and Phil LeCure. The Truist was designed with safety in mind, too, especially from the foul balls. There is a safety netting protection screen and extended screens held by poles, which is very good protection for the fans for safety net. Because last season was very dangerous for all the fans. Like about like 10, 20 fans were got injuries from the foul ball. And also my last one is Truist is a great addition for the Atlanta Braves in the area. And then my last slide is to reference. Here's all the information you can use without a search. And thank you for your time to watch my presentation.